I've made comments publicly. I think we're in the second or third inning of where we should be. You look at what the AI stocks or the tech stocks have done in the last kind of 5 to 10 years. I think that kind of potential exists for the gold mining space. And why do I say that, Steve? Is because you look at central banks have gone from 6, 7% gold on their balance sheets to 25% of their FX reserves in gold. So the central banks are telling you that gold is going to have a dramatically important role going forward in the monetary system and in the role of controlling money in the future. Gold's always been money, but it's really reasserting itself. Look at that mainstream. The average investor has about 4 to 5% of his total wealth invested in gold, including physical gold and equity. So we're very, very far away from mainstream adoption. Your Uber drivers, your average guy at the coffee shop or the cocktail parties are not talking about which gold stocks they own. They're talking about which AI stocks they own, or which tech investment or meme stocks are going up 500% in a year. So gold is still very much a niche market, but I think it's very much a mainstream in the financial system. So the gap to close from mainstream investors doing what central banks are doing is a big, big return potential. And I think that's where you're going to start to see a rising tide lifting all boats. When I get to a point where everyone's talking about gold stocks and all your friends own junior mining stocks, that's probably the end. But to me, we're very, very far away from that. And the fundamentals are so positive right now. The cash flows, the balance sheets, the buybacks, the valuations of the sector overall for the larger companies are so attractive. It's going to start attracting more and more fund flows, in my view.